Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Equipment. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at the HYB60Li Leaf Blower. So I've laid the contents of the packaging out on the table so that you can see. First of all, we have the blower unit itself. Then we have its outlet tube. The battery charger with its 13 amp plug. The battery itself. And finally the user manual. Now I do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. The final part of the box contents is actually the fine nozzle for the end, and it's located inside the main tube, and that's the final nozzle for the end. Let's start with the charging of the battery. On the battery charger provided, you'll notice that it has a 13 amp plug, and this simply plugs into a 13 amp wall socket. Before plugging it in, you'll need to put the battery into the battery charger. You'll see the 3 holes that correspond with the 3 pins, and you simply need to push the battery into the charger from the end and push it fully home. Now you can plug the charger into your 13 amp outlet. With a flat battery, the red light will come on to say that the charger is plugged in, and the green light will come on and will be flashing. When the green light stops flashing and is a solid green light, the battery is charged. This will normally take about an hour and 30 minutes. To remove the battery, unplug it from the mains and simply slide it out from the charger. To fit the battery to your blower, it fits in the hole in the back here. Again, the 3 holes, in first, push it into the hole and push it in until it clicks. And that's as simple as that, how you fit the battery. To remove the battery, push down on this catch here and withdraw the battery for charging. But as you can see, it takes moments. To connect the 2 halves together, you'll notice that on the outlet tube is an L-shaped catch, and there are 2 pins on either side of the blower. Again, an L-shaped catch on this side. Simply place it onto the blower, line up the L, push backwards and rotate, and then turn firmly until it clicks. And that's the 2 halves fitted together. To remove it for storage, again, simply reverse it and you can pull it off. To fit the narrow nozzle on the end, it fits in exactly the same way, on, rotate, to fit the narrow neck down nozzle on the end. On and click. And that's the leaf blower assembled. So I've assembled the blower and fitted the battery, and it's ready for use. Now, to start the blower, squeeze the trigger switch. To stop, release the switch trigger. I'll demonstrate. There are 2 speed buttons. The bottom button moves the blower into high speed. The top button moves the blower into turbo speed. Pressing either button once will engage said speed. Pressing it a second time will disengage the speed, bringing the blower back to its original speed. So, when you first pull it, it will be low speed. If I pull it and push the bottom button, it goes into high speed. And when I push it again, it comes out of high speed. And again, if I pull the trigger, it goes into low speed, and push the top one, it will go into turbo speed. Release the trigger and it will go back to low speed. And that's the controls of your leaf blower. The turbo speed, the front button, has been designed to auto shut off after 35 seconds, reverting the blower back to its low speed. Let's talk about a few of the features of your blower. It's got a brushless motor which offers great performance. It's got variable speeds with a turbo function. It's got a soft grip handle for great operation and feel in the hand. It's got an axial turbine structure for the blower which offers very high efficiency, and it actually blows up to 520 cubic feet per minute of air, makes blowing through dry or wet leaves and debris an absolute breeze. So that's your leaf blower. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerequipment.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and happy gardening.